Good afternoon and welcome to Twin Pine Auto Sales. My name is Jason Young. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2002 Georgetown motorhome by Forest River. This is the 35-foot model, only 19,000 original miles, 6.8 liter V10 Ford motor. Very nice condition here at Twin Pine. I'm going to give you a brief walk around of the vehicle here. Just kind of show you, try to get you an idea as to what you're looking at. If you're here looking at it yourself from right there at your home computer. Matching Goodyear tires the whole way around. Very nice shape. This thing is 10 years old, so it does show the normal wear and tear. But for the year and the miles, it's fantastic. The paint still, I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but the paint still has that glossy gel coat look to it. Class 3 trailer hitch right there. There you can see all your AC units, thermal heat. Does have one slide out. There's your awning. Plenty of storage there underneath. Multiple lockers. Alright, let's take a look at the inside. You have dual captive chairs, both leather. Backup camera capabilities. If you can pick that up or not, see that's 19,000 miles. CB radio. Everything is fully functioning and ready to go. The carpet is nice, no stains. Here's your dinette area. Full kitchen with a double sink. Stainless, lots of cabinet space the whole way around, microwave, range, an oven. Freezer and refrigerator. Very spacious. No foul odors of any kind. The upholstery looks, like new. Shower and vanity. Bathroom. Medicine cabinet. It's a queen size bed. Again, lots of space, closet space, TV, DVD. Nice custom blinds throughout. Just very, very tastefully appointed. Very nice condition, nice neutral colors. See the tile flooring. TV again. Very, very, very nice condition for a motorhome. Hope that gives you a rough idea or a brief overview as to what you're looking at here. The vehicle. Like I said, it's the Georgetown model by Forest River. Just a great way to get out and see the country. If you'd like to make an appointment to come see this vehicle or any of the other vehicles we have out here at Twin Pine Auto Sales, don't hesitate to give us a call at 717-733-6548. That's 717-733-6548. My name is Jason Young. Thanks so much for the time you spent with me, and have a wonderful day.